Let me introduce one of our popular items, solder-free linear light, 31132. It's like this. It is a recessed linear light. You see, we need to drill a channel and put inside the light. Here a hardware accessory to fix the light. You see, it is two accessory, two install bracket to fix the light. And how we said it is solder free. Let me show you. Here the wire and the light is connected by the end cap, but the end cap is, you see, I can just remove it very easily because the special instruction is it is plug and plate. You see, I show you plug and plate. Let me light it on. Come show you here. Plug and plate. And when you sell the light to you, we sell you the light is 3 meters, and you can cut the lights by the length. Cut the lights by the length you need it. For example, we need a 50 centimeters light. You just cut here, a complete cut. You don't need to remove the aluminum or the tape lights or the lens. You just complete cut it, and then you get the lens you need it, and you put in the end caps here. So this down, and then clean the wire again. So the light is the light is the lens you needed. So this is our items 31132 solder free light. Normally it used in the middle of the wood panel. You see, in the middle of the wood panel, or in the side, in the middle of the side panel. These two places used in the cabinet. Wood in the middle of the wood panel, or in the side of in the side panel. These two places. So these are the popular items of the 31132 solder-free non-linear light.